This is what you should do if you don't want to get the full amount of points when you're presenting. First, you want to have a completely missing x-axis so that no one knows what it means at all. Second, leave off the units on your y-axis. This lets people not know exactly what you're talking about. Also, be sure not to explain or have a legend for whatever's displayed within your graph. That really helps people understand what you're trying to present. So, additionally, you want to have extremely small x and y axes so that no one can see actually what numbers are even on the screen. This is an example of a bad graph, and this is what you do not want to do. If you want to get full points, you should do what we did in the good graph skills video. Here is a way to present that will not give you the total amount of points that you could possibly have. When you're standing up there and the graph comes on the screen, you can just say, yeah, we saw that it increased for both of the fish, and there was a little bit of increase between the two, but we didn't really see any of the changes across, and there wasn't a lot of change in between, but like this fish was bigger than that fish. Don't stand in front of your graph. Don't turn your back to the audience. Always display your graph off to the side. It doesn't matter which side you're going on. But during that presentation, the main thing you want to do is explain the x and y axes. If you have the words up there, they're going to cue you into explaining them. There's no legend here. People aren't going to remember what you say. You need to have a legend. Additionally, they're not going to be able to remember what these mean, especially if you don't have an axis label. And the fact that they're so small, they're not even going to care what you're saying. So that's a bad presentation.
And the colors.
Oh, yeah. And the colors are pretty much the same. It's very hard to see the change between this red and this pink. You want to have contrasting colors if you're showing two different examples on your graph as well.